Daily practices are something that give you a foundation for living. They give you structure. It keeps the doshas calm, particularly Vata dosha. But it also, it gives us a strong foundation on which we can step into all of the opportunities in life. And it helps us to get to know ourselves. We do these practices in the morning in order to set the energy for the day, so that we've given ourselves some care. Our senses and our body and mind can start the day in a really great place. I spend these early hours of the day in silence. Sunrise Agnihotra fire ceremony takes place at the moment of sunrise. The alchemy of the fire, offering, and mantra purifies the environment and all those who witness it. Asana practice is about 1 hour, 5 days each week. And then there's breakfast. So it's some combination of whatever's in season. Stick to not more than 3 fruits. We chant mantra before each meal and express appreciation for the food. It's a good idea to stay upright after eating. Some gentle walking alone or in good company is welcome. I like to walk in the rice paddies and see the farmers. We use the word practice. We talk about practicing yoga or practicing Ayurveda, but actually we're practicing everything in life. It needs to be something where you're conscious of what you're doing. It's really important that we bring sattva into it, that we bring some balance and harmony into it. And so when it comes to your dinacharya, or your daily self-care, then this is something that we want to consider. The sattva needs to be there. It's an act of self-love. I often have consultations and healings with clients in the morning. In the afternoon, maybe team meetings and writing. I like to do creative work during the Vata time of day in the afternoon. I organize everything on the counter that will go into the next meal. Spices, grains, legumes, vegetables. And I eat meals generally at the same time every day. When you take care of your 5 senses, then this really anchors you right into the moment in your life. And this is a great way to just step into what is next, rather than letting my mind run ahead. It really gives us access to the 6th sense and having a greater sense of our energy as well. Tonight, I'm spending time playing the flute, learning how to play a Balinese flute. A nightcap milk with the ladies, and sometimes the kiddies will snuggle in to see if they can get some milk too. A little nutmeg or poppy seeds have a sedative quality that supports a sound sleep. I do a vibrational cleansing exercise every night before bed. Lots of time sitting at the computer these days. It's very helpful. I get ready for bed, brush my teeth, braid my hair, and put a little oil on the top of my head at the fontanelle and the soles of my feet. Consistency is what's really important. That's how we get an accumulation of the benefits, and then we get better results.